Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through what to do if you can't change your username on TikTok. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. First, you'll want to tap on the me icon on the bottom right here, and then you can tap on edit profile at the center, and then you can see name, and then right under that username, just tap on username there. And you can see that currently my username is tnace11. If I back out of here and say just tnace, it'll say that username isn't available. So I'll walk you through a couple of reasons why you might not be able to change your username. And one of them is because it's not available. So it'll pop up with a little thing that says, this username is taken and you can try a new one. The reason for that is you can only have a unique username. You cannot have the same username as anyone else. So you have to basically come up with one that nobody else has ever chosen before. Another thing is that you can only change your username once every 30 days. So if you've changed your username within the last 30 days, you technically can't change your username again. However, I'll walk you through a way that you can kind of get around this. I'll just hit cancel and keep my username the same. If you open up settings here and then go down, scroll down and hit on general, and then tap date and time towards the bottom there. You can see the date and time are set automatically. I'll toggle that off, and I can tap on the little date there, and all I have to do is say manually change it to say a month from now, to February 17th, and then I can go back. So then I've changed the date on my iPhone, and I can go into TikTok here. I can get out of there. I can go into TikTok here, go to username, and then I'll be able to change it to whatever I want. As long as it's not taken again, you obviously can't choose something that's already taken. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks.